Hello, my name is Stephanie Nicholas. My ID number is 0144584. I'm a student at Sultanic, and for tonight's video, I am not collaborating with any other student. Today, this video, I'll demonstrate how the step 2 taking hypothesis testing. Our claim is that 39% of students are from Bridgeport. So today, I will show you how to conduct an hypothesis test. Because the claim said that 39% are from Bridgeport, so the new probability will equal 0.39 and the alternative will not equal 0.39. Because we don't know whether or not there is more or less student that came from Bridgeport. So this is how we're gonna write it. The new probability will equal 0.39 and the alternative will not equal 0.39. In order to find how many students actually came from Bridgeport, so we're gonna create a graph. So we're gonna click graph, pie chart, and with data, and we're gonna select city and compute. Here you can see how many students actually came from Bridgeport, 1467, which is a percentage of 48.87. So the next step we're gonna take is by creating a test statistic. So using StatCrunch, and you're gonna click on stat, proportion stat, one sample with summary, and the successes we're gonna put 1467, which is the amount of students that came from Bridgeport, and on the observation we're gonna put 3002, which was the total of students, and the hypothesis test we're gonna add 0.39, which was the claim, and compute. Right here you can see the sample proportion, the standard deviation, and the z-stat, and this is how I did it manually. So I just put the amount of students that came from Bridgeport divided by the total of students, which equal the 48.87%. So I converted on the sample of proportions. So the standard of deviations, in order for us to find the sample of the standard of deviation, so it's the square root of the sample proportions and multiply by q, which was in order for us to find it, it's 1 minus the 0.4887, which give us this number 0.5113 divided by the total of students 3002, and the total was 0.0089. In order for us to find the z-stat, so we took the simple proportions minus the claim divided by the standard of deviations, so which give us the total of 11.084. So the p-value we run it give us 11.08. Since he has like the two sides tested, so we multiply it by 2, which give us the 22.17. So in conclusion, we can say that the p-value is that the true proportion of HCC students from Bridgeport are 39%, and the observations proportions, which was 48.87. So when we did the total, the value was 22.17, which is less. So we will reject the null because there is sufficient evidence to support the claim. Thank you.